We are at the Courtyard Marriott at Miami Airport, and we're doing a room review on 4750. And guess what else? Room 4748. We're going on a family cruise, and we're going to be occupying these adjoining rooms. Let's take a look.
All right, we'll walk right into the room. Granite countertops, light switch, ice bucket, coffee, glasses, refrigerator. Let's look behind us. Emergency instructions in the event there was an emergency. We're located here. We'd come out our door and go all the way down the hall to the left, down the stairway. And here is the adjoining door. We're not going to go in there yet. We're going to do this first room. So this room is a king bed. The other room that we're going into, the 4748, will be 2 queen-size beds, 2 bedside lights. Each light has an outlet and a switch. Telephone, Holy Bible, storage. Let's come over here to the other side, see if we have the same thing. We have a switch. We have a plug. We have an alarm clock. And we have the Book of Mormon. Nice headboard. I like the size of the room. On this side, we have the thermostat. We have a nice little bar area. If you wanted to hydrate and buy some water, it's $6 a bottle. A little steep for the water. Let's go into the closet. Closet is decent size. It's got hangers. It's got a bag for laundry. It's got storage up above. It's got an ironing board, more hangers, and it's got a safe. And there is nothing in the safe. As we continue to go down this wardrobe set, you've got a nice desk area, large TV, very large TV. Well, let's take a look at the dresser. And we've got storage, more storage. What's cool about this? We've been in this hotel before. What we like about this hotel is because we both work sometimes, you could pull this out and one could work somewhere in the room while the other one works on the desk. So this will push back in. Let's take a look underneath. 110 plugs, US plugs, and you've got 2 trash cans, overhead switch. You get 2 outlets here, switch. You've got 2 outlets, remote control, nice adjustable seat. Take a look at the view. The view of the highway. Looks like they're building a ball field there or something. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the room. You got a lamp that has 2 outlets on it. You've got a couch, a bed couch. That'll pull out as a twin bed. So we're going to use that today. So we opened up the other door to the adjoining room, but we're not ready to go over there yet. We're going to go into the bathroom over here. You've got tile floor. You've got granite countertops, tissues, double outlet, full mirror, lotion, soap, face cloth. We've got a toilet paper. You've got 2 towels against the wall, and you've got the full glass shower enclosure. The shower head is exactly that, a shower head. No wand, handicap rail, all tile, stand up, no tub. It's got a little seat. You've got a full towel, face cloth, soap dish, and we've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Let's take a look at what's underneath the sink. We've got a blow dryer, 1 towel. Let's head into the adjoining room, 4748. Right away, as soon as you walk in, you see the coffee, ice bucket, cups, granite counter, and refrigerator. Very similar to the adjoining room. But the room has huge differences. It has 2 queen-size beds in here. Not only that, the lamps are in the middle, not on the ends. Let's take a look. The switch, and 2 outlets. Very cool. Alarm clock, phone, and you've got 1 middle nightstand where you have a Holy Bible and a Book of Mormon. That's a huge headboard. It's really a nice looking room. Corner lamp. The lamp's similar to the lamp in the other room. It's got 2 outlets on it. Now this room doesn't have a pull-out twin bed like a sofa couch. It has like just a chair, a reading chair. Let's take a look at the views. You got views of Miami right there. Miami skyline. Let's take a look at the rest of the room. You can see I'm occupying this desk. Same situation. You've got these nice office chairs. And you've got the double pull-out desk similar to the other room. Huge TV. And the cool thing about this is that it pushes in. And then you've got drawer, storage, storage. Let's take a look at the closet. Very similar, if not exactly the same. An iron board, coat hangers. Let's take a look at the safe. Let's see if there's any money in the safe. No money in the safe. But it's nice to have a safe. We have a thermostat, and we have an end table. The emergency evacuation in the event of one is identical to room 4750. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. Bathroom has granite countertops, full mirror, soap and lotion, face cloth, tissues, glasses. That's a blow dryer, extra towel, trash can, 2 towels, toilet, and toilet paper. What's different about this bathroom? Not that it has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Both bathrooms have that. But this bathroom is tile all around, recessed lighting with a shower head, not a line. It's got 2 soap dishes just like the other one, but it has a tub, where the other bathroom was a stand-up shower. Make sure you stay to the end of the video. We'll give you a full review of our stay in room 4748 and room 4750. So we're at the stage we do our review of the Courtyard Marriott in Miami Airport. And there's 2 of them there located in the very proximity. There's one south and one north. The one we're talking about is located on 1201 Northwest Lejeune Road. That's the Courtyard Marriott we're talking about. And it actually sits in a complex of various Marriott properties. We're going to talk about our review of room 4750 and 4748.
And why are we talking about 2 rooms?
Good question. We were traveling as a family. We were getting on a cruise ship. We were getting on a Carnival Celebration, looking for a hotel that actually had adjoining rooms. We found it. We found it here at the Courtyard Marriott. What I like about the Courtyard Marriott is, guess what? Free shuttle from the airport. So if you fly into Miami Airport, you just go outside, you look for the shuttle, you raise your hand and wave to the guy. He pulls over, you get on the shuttle, brings you right to the hotel. What else I liked was the lobby area was amazing. They have actual cubbies where they have a TV, a desk, business section were amazing. We had to wait a little bit for our room. So we basically camped out, watched TV, and did some work in one of these cubbies. The pool area was awesome. There's a pool and a hot tub. There's an outdoor seating area where you just want to sit out, and there's a smoking area outside as well. And they had a life-size chess game outside. Mm-hmm. The gym was top shelf. I love the gym. The other thing that I like a lot is that I like happy hours. And they have a happy hour there between 4 and 7, I believe.
Champions Restaurant,
exactly.
Let's get back to the room and talk about the configuration of the 2 rooms.
Room 4750 had an actual pull-out couch. It had a king-size bed, and the actual couch pulled out as a twin bed. Now, room 4748 had 2 queen-size beds. I love the bedding.
And that had a chair with an ottoman. Each room had a desk and a pull-out, like kind of a separate desk that you could roll out and use either anywhere in the room or just as additional desk space. So that was nice.
TVs were awesome.
Plenty of closet space, drawer space.
Lots of space, actually. There was a lot of space in both rooms.
And then the bars were identical as well. They had a refrigerator and a coffee bar. Now, the bathrooms, slightly different on the bathrooms. 4750 with a king-size bed, that had a stand-up shower. Now, the other room with the 2 beds, that had a tub. Both were very clean.
And the housekeeping was amazing as well.
Yeah.
The hotel staff at the front desk were over the top. I mean, they were just fantastic. I ended up walking to Target, about a 20-minute walk there and a 20-minute walk back, which was an easy walk.
And there's a Walgreens there as well.
Now, getting to the cruise ship, the hotel does offer a service. I think it's pricey. We use just an Uber. If there's no traffic problems, the Uber is roughly about $30. You agree with any of that?
I agree with all of it.
All right. So this is why I say, do you have any other positives or negatives you want to add?
No, I think it was great.
Okay. So would you stay in both of these rooms as adjoining rooms or individual rooms?
I would stay in any of them.
I have to agree. They were amazing.
Each of them were perfectly comfortable and plenty of space.
Yep. I would definitely.
And the ease of getting from the airport to to using the shuttle was fantastic.
It was. It really was.
So yes.
Yep. I would stay there as well.
Let's book again.
That's right. We'll do it again. If we're going out of Miami, we will definitely stay there again. There's no question. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. We answer and respond to all of our comments. And this is where I say, ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.